Hi guys, welcome to Cole Tries New Things. So this is gonna be a long video. We're gonna do an unboxing video. I don't know if I did an unboxing video before on my YouTube channel, but as you can see in the very back, lava lamps, of course. I got a lot of lava lamps. Today, I actually got a lava lamp today. We found it at a local Walmart store. Here it is. This is the Sonic lava lamp. I'm so excited to open this. This looks very cool. This is a red and yellow. The liquid is yellow and the lava is red. My favorite color is red. Good thing I got this, and this is called the Sonic lava lamp because I'm a Sonic fan, of course. We're gonna open this up and see what we got in here. So let's go. It's gonna be not that easy. It's not gonna be easy. See if I can open the thing. Hold on. This might take me a little. Right. Let's open the lid. Let's see what we got here. The base. Alright, let me see. This is the lid, looks like. And it looks like I got a brand new one. This is a October 2024. This is brand new. Well, it's not technically brand new. It's 2025 right now. But this is in October of last year of 2024. So this is a pretty new one. This is probably from Halloween. But here we are. This is the Sonic lava lamp. Now, we're gonna get the base, or the lava lamp. Let me just get this thing out. So, this is where the lava lamp's supposed to be. Let's see what we got. It says, caution, do not drink. Which, I don't at all. Don't drink these, guys. Okay. Moment of truth. Whoa. This thing. Whoa, this is cool. There's the red liquid and the gold lava. Wow, this looks so cool. I can't believe. This was like $19, I believe. The light bulb's already in. We just do that. And then put the base on. And there we go. We just unboxed my brand new lava lamp. I'm gonna be plugging this maybe today or tomorrow. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Till this is heated up, and I'll be back. Okay, so we're gonna be heating up this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. These are both from Walmart. Okay, here is the barcode on the brand new one I just got today. It's a October 2024. Here's the barcode on the other one. This is the same exact year, October 2024. Here's the barcode on the ColorMax lava lamp. This is a June 2024. Here's the barcode on this green gaming lava lamp. This is a January 2024. Here's the barcode on this orange and blue dino. This is a September 2023. This one's like 2 years old. The other ones are just 1 year old. Alright, so I'm going to turn them off really fast, and I'll turn off the video for now and show you guys the aftermath of these. So, let me turn off the light. And here comes the moment of truth. Here we go. Oh, not all of them are on. We gotta get the others. Okay, there we go. Alright, so here's my brand new one. I just unboxed this one. And this is my other ones. Right here. And I'll show you guys when they're done in the end. So here's a close look on these new lava lamp. So this one right here is the one I just barely unboxed. It's the red and yellow. You can't really see it yet, but it'll take a minute. And here's the other one. This is a pink and blue. This is in October 2024, and this one's also in October 2024. So this one's doing really good. Here is the Color Max one. This is a June 2024. This one does pretty good. And we got the green and green. It's supposed to be green lava and green liquid, but I think the liquid is now clear. I think it got all the liquid out, or yeah, I think so because of the sun. And then we got this orange and blue. This is I forgot to tell you about this one. This is a January 2024, and this one right here is a September 2023. But yes, that was just a close look up on these. I'll let you guys know when they're done, and I'll show you guys the aftermath. There it goes. The lava lamp's working. It's been on for like just a couple minutes. No. It's been on for like 2 hours or 1 hour. It's already heating up, and it'll make more bubbles soon. So cool. Here's my other one. This one did pretty good. This one's doing great also, and here is the green. And that one you can see on top some of the things are stuck together, which is not great, but it's still working a little bit. So here is what the new one looks like right now. As you can tell, it is very late here. It's like 2 o'clock a.m. Alright guys, here's the lava lamp a couple hours later. It's currently 2 a.m. right now. Which I need to get to bed in a minute. But here are how the lava lamps are doing. That one's doing really good. My brand new one's doing so good. And then the other one, a couple hours later, is doing really well. The Color Max one's going up more. The green one's doing really good. And this orange and blue one's got fixed. I fixed it and it's fixed. Pretty cool, right? See you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, so here it is a couple hours later. It looks very, very good. As you can tell, it is very late here. I have to go to bed soon because